This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Oversized detached garage plus spacious ranch plus over half-acre lot plus Grassfield High School. This house checks all the boxes. 4-bedroom/2 bath with fresh paint and new flooring, updated kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, large great room/family room overlooking huge backyard, primary suite with private bath, walk-in closet, and sitting area. New roof, deck with gazebo, 1,017 square feet detached garage, and 315 square feet attached garage. Great location, convenient to shopping, dining, and easy access to Dominion Boulevard. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.